Hello everyone, this guide is going to show you how to export Unity models for Miku Miku Dance. Once you have followed the guide on how to set this up, which I'll have a link listed below, and the guide on how to extract Unity models, we shall begin. Once you have exported all your models that you want from the Unity game, as you can see here, select all the models, drag and drop them onto Unity. This will start the importing process. Once it's done, we will go to your model. For in this case, I will go to Zongle. Select the FBX model. Make sure the animation type is humanoid. If it is not, click the generic option and make it humanoid and press apply. Now, select a model and drag it over to the Unity hierarchy. Now, once the model is selected, as you can see, it's right there. Go to VRM, Unity VRM, export humanoid. Put in the author section, put whatever crap you want and export the model to wherever you want. Doesn't matter. Now, once that part is done, we want to open up a program called VRM to PMX. Now, go to play exclamation mark so you can actually load the program. I know it's kind of complicated. Now, go to load VRM file, load the VRM model that you extracted. As you can see here, which I would place mine right here. The next option will pretty much be light up and the other option will be grayed out. Press convert to PMX and it will start converting your model. Once that is done, in your VRM file, there will be a new folder called PM Export be stored, which I will show you in just a second. So, once the model, in this case I'm using a different model for VRM to PMX, so please accept my apology because I will show you in a second why I'm using a different model. Once you go to your transform tab, go to your movement button for the hips and all that crap, move it up and down. As you can see here, the model is fully rigged and will be usable for most motion data. Now, for the reason why I didn't use the Zongo model, which, yeah, as you can see with the Zongo model, because how the game was developed, the assets are all over the place, and honestly, I did not care to refix it currently, and I have other models I want to port to MMD right now, so these models are on my low end of priority things to fix, and it's just on my lower end of things to work on right now, so that is pretty much how you port Unity models to VRM to PMX. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and I'll be happy to help. Ciao!